Imagine an island where jagged mountains plunge into sapphire seas, ancient stone villages cling to hillsides, and the scent of wild herbs lingers in the air. This is Corsica, a Mediterranean paradise waiting to be explored. Hike scenic trails through the maquis, marvel at windswept Genoese towers, and unwind on powdery beaches like Palombagia. Savor local cheeses and hearty chestnut specialties in cozy tavernas. Whether you're wandering vibrant markets or kayaking crystal coves, Corsica's blend of nature, history, and flavor promises an unforgettable escape.